So you want to make a Bloody Mary for brunch? Well, I've got the recipe for you. So here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need to start with a vodka. Everybody likes their own vodka, but I prefer Absolute, so that's what we're gonna be using today. Also, we're gonna be using Zing Zang, very popular Bloody Mary mix. Zing Zang has pretty much all the flavors you're gonna need, but we like to spice it up here in Texas. So we're gonna add some of my favorites. Wing sauce or hot sauce of any sort, maybe Tabasco, Worcestershire sauce, A1 sauce, or maybe pickles and jalapeno juice. Younger people and people who aren't from America might wonder when is a good time to order a Bloody Mary or serve a Bloody Mary, drink a Bloody Mary. A good time to have a Bloody Mary is usually for breakfast. It's filling, it's heavy, it's also great for hangovers. So let's get started. So this is a build drink, so what we're going to start is by rimming the top of the glass. What we use for a Bloody Mary is salt. If you don't have an actual setup with a sponge, you can use lemon or lime juice. You dip the top in lemon or lime juice. You just get it a little wet and then you just dabble it into the salt. The next step for your Bloody Mary after you've rimmed the top of the glass is to add your ice. So we're going to add a scoop of ice. And then we're going to use 2 ounces, because I like it strong, 2 ounces of vodka. You're going to pour that into the glass with the ice. And then top it with your Bloody Mary mix. And you want to make sure you shake your Bloody Mary mix before you pour it. You're just going to fill it to the top of the rim there. Leave a little extra, maybe half of an inch, so you can add your garnishes. Garnishes always enhance the flavor of a drink, so garnishes are very important. And it impresses your friends because it looks pretty. Now we're gonna add some extra flavors to give it a little extra spice because we love spicy drinks in Texas. These are some things I had at the house laying around that make a Bloody Mary extra tasty. So we've got olive juice. Pour a little olive juice in there. A couple olives. Worcestershire sauce. Say that 3 times fast. This gives it a little smoky flavor, kind of like A1. If you have A1 sauce laying around, steak sauce, put a little dab of that in there. This is where we get a little spicy. You can do wing sauce or Tabasco sauce, but just a little bit, unless you like it really hot on your palate. You might want to taste it at this point to see if you want to add anything else or a little more spice. You can also add pepper if you like pepper. You can always add more, but you can't add less. Then just do a little stir with your celery since all the vodka is laying at the bottom and all the mixes are at the top. Give yourself a little stir. Slice your lime to garnish on top. This is how I cut my limes. You want to do it vertical from the top of the stem down. Lay it on its belly. Do it another top of the stem down. Side and do one more, top of the stem down. Then you've got some limes to squeeze in there, so we're going to squeeze this lime in there. Here we go now. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy your Bloody Mary, and I hope you enjoy your day. Until next time, I'll see ya. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and ring the bell. Get notifications every time we post a video. Stay tuned for more delicious drinks on Cooking with Friends. Bloody Mary for me, Bloody Mary for you, Bloody Mary for all of us.
Bloody Mary.